Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. The Google Pixel 5, when taking pics and shooting video, a simplistic experience. Now, ever since I received this smartphone from Google, shout out hashtag teampixel, I have been taking a lot of pictures and shooting a lot of video. In this video, we're just going to be looking at a lot of different pics during the day, low light, and in the dark. Some of those are going to be portrait mode, regular wide, which is a 12.2 megapixel shooter, or ultra wide mode, which I am totally digging. Thank you so much, Google, at 16 megapixels. I just picked out a bunch of pics, put them together, created a slideshow from the unboxing to now. And I just want you to enjoy what I have enjoyed with this smartphone that I'm using right now to shoot in 1080p 30 frames per second front-facing cam. Whether I'm out and about doing homework for the team, taking picture, shooting video that I'm going to use for the channel, and most of those vids are comparison videos, or I'm on a date with my wife and we order a meal, the meal comes to us, I take a picture of those dishes, or I'm out along the Columbia with my wife or my family and we're on a hike. There's always going to be something beautiful or something that you see that you're going to want to take a picture of. With the Google Pixel 5, it's been very simplistic. Point and shoot. Point and shoot. I don't have to think about it. Now, I've been very fortunate to have a lot of smartphones that I can do that with. There's something a little more simplistic about the Google Pixel 5. I pull it out of my pocket, in my hand, get to the camera, snap the picture, or shoot video if that's what I'm doing. But it's very easy. It's just the camera layout is very simplistic. It is what it is. I don't have to work hard at all. And the size of the device makes it a lot easier. And that might be one of the biggest reasons why the experience is so simple. Now, don't get me wrong. I love my big smartphones. But the Google Pixel 5 is just amazing when utilizing the cameras, whether it's on the back or the front. So yeah, you're going to see a bunch of random pics. I didn't label any of them. I'm sure you'll figure it out, but look at the quality of the pictures. They're great. Again, very simple and easy to get great. And that, my friends, makes for a great experience that's why I wanted to put this pic slideshow together. So just enjoy it. I'm just sharing what you already know. But I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it here in the garage, in my little YouTube studio. The Christmas lights that I have up here are off. I just have my studio lights. And this is it, man. This is where the magic happens, right? I just wanted to relax and shoot this little bit of it and share the big slideshow with all of you. So enjoy. Until my next video. This is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. Stay safe and healthy.